I want to share this with you. A very interesting garage door opener by Sears. Now, when I open it, there's not very much to it. But you can see that it just hangs on your door. You see in the picture here. It just hangs on the door. It has a roller that engages the track. This is it right here. And there's a roller that you would engage. So when you want to use it, you just engage the roller. When you don't want it, it just runs. So, I find that very interesting that it's not like a normal, and this is the cord that reels up back and forth. I find it interesting that it actually goes on the door. Now, I have no idea if it works or not. But it looks brand new. It comes with a guarantee, 90 days from Sears. But that's it. I was kind of thinking about selling it on eBay, but you know what? I might actually throw this on something. If I do, I'll do another video and I'll share that with you, see how it works, because I've never seen one of these.